it's your girl Along Came in, and today we are going to do a Valentine's Day date night look. So let's get started. Shing, you feel me? Always do your liquids before your powder. Always do your liquid before your powder. I'm big for the gods, okay? And do it in angle. We don't go all the way back there. Now we go like a triangle. Like I said, like my cut, like to cut my shit, bring that bitch down. Look rich. I want to be rich. I want to be that. I need to elude it. I need to look it. Okay. So I actually mix my powders. I use the Mercier translucent powder, and I use the HD flawless setting powder. It's also translucent, but it's a little on the white side. White. Look at that white. So because I took that there, and then we're gonna get into this one. Yeah, it's my bronzer, you know I can't. Now we're gonna get into the blend. The Tone fix was not broken. However you know how to put your lashes on is how you're gonna put your lashes on. Don't get into these trends, because then you try to put your lashes on and looking crazy.